It was me, Amy. Wars are so extraordinarily revealing, obviously, of the worst of
40s to summit. Now, many people might overlook Mount Meru, but if you want to experience with less people and have a more affordable adventure compared to Kilimanjaro, Mount Meru is worth it. Now, similar to Kilimanjaro, you're going to hike through.
Most of the work done in Indian VFX studios